stop wasting unused data. Here are 5 apps that actually pay you for your spare internet. The first app in the list is PawnsApp. PawnsApp is a passive income app that pays you just for sharing your unused internet connection. All you have to do is install it, keep it running, and you start earning automatically. First, download PawnsApp on your PC or phone, and if you create your account through my referral link in the description, you will get $3 bonus. The moment you connect, it starts tracking how much unused bandwidth you share. For every gigabyte of internet that's routed through your connection, PawnsApp pays you. The companies use this for things like market research, testing websites from different regions, and ad verification. Here is where it gets interesting. The more devices you connect, the more you earn. Got a laptop, a desktop, and a spare phone at home? Install PawnsApp on all of them. Suddenly you are multiplying your income. Now let's talk actual money. On average, a single device connected 24/7 might earn you around $20 to $100 a month. Add a second or third device and you could be looking at $200 to $300 without lifting a finger. PawnsApp also has surveys and small online tasks. These aren't passive, but if you want to accelerate your balance, they help. You can withdraw straight to PayPal. If you are in crypto, they have got Bitcoin as an option, or you can grab popular gift cards. And the best part, the payout threshold is only $5. Next in the list we have Honeygain. Honeygain is one of the most trusted and popular passive income apps. The idea is simple. Instead of wasting your unused Wi-Fi or data, Honeygain connects it to businesses that need it for web research, ad verification, and content delivery. In return, they pay you automatically every single day. And yes, it works on Windows, macOS, Linux, and even Android. When you sign up with Honeygain, you immediately get a $3 welcome bonus. Once installed, the app shares unused internet traffic securely in the background. The more traffic routed through your device, the more credits you earn. Honeygain pays you $1 for every 10 GB of data you share. The trick here is to connect multiple devices across your home. Some users make $20 to $30 a month just by keeping Honeygain on across their devices 24/7. On your dashboard, you will see how much traffic you have shared and how close you are to cashing out. Once you hit $20, you can cash out. Your options are PayPal, direct money into your account, Bitcoin if you prefer crypto payouts, Jump Task Wallet, a special option where you can even withdraw below $20. Next in the list we have Freepocket. Freepocket is a passive income app that rewards you for sharing your unused internet. Once you install it, the app quietly runs in the background and starts generating earnings. It's available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and even as a browser extension, so you can run it on almost any device. After creating an account, you download the Freepocket app or extension, connect it to your internet, and you are done. From that moment, the app begins routing small amounts of your unused bandwidth. Here is where Freepocket gets interesting. You can connect unlimited devices. They allow you to use the same amount across multiple networks. The more devices plus stronger internet, the more you earn. Some users report making $20 to $40 monthly by keeping it on across laptops, PCs, and spare phones. Freepocket also has one of the best referral programs. You earn 10% of your referral's lifetime earnings. That means if your friend makes $50, you automatically get $5 forever. Freepocket pays you via PayPal, bank transfer, and even cryptocurrency. The minimum payout is only $5. Next we have Grass. Grass is a decentralized bandwidth sharing platform, but unlike other apps we have covered, Grass is directly tied to AI development. When you share your connection, you are helping train and improve artificial intelligence models. In return, you earn points and rewards that can later be converted into cash or crypto. Once it is installed, it runs quietly in the background. Grass routes a very small amount of your unused bandwidth to its decentralized network. Instead of just being sold to advertisers, this bandwidth is used for AI-related research, making it stand out from apps like Honeygain or Freepocket. You accumulate Grass points. These points are expected to play a huge role in their ecosystem and can later be exchanged for crypto or real money. Grass also rewards you for referrals. Every time you invite friends to the platform, you earn a percentage of their contribution in points. Plus, as the AI network grows, early adopters are expected to get more recognition and possibly extra bonuses. You don't withdraw instantly in dollars like Freepocket. Instead, your earnings build up as Grass points, which will be redeemable as crypto or cash once the project fully rolls out.